Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Jovenal Narcisse. And before you, I have two pairs of the Converse All-Star high cut in black and in white. I bought these two pairs of Converse All-Star high top sneakers in 2006, and I've been using this pair of shoes for the past 16 years. So this is just an introduction of my next unboxing video. This is size 9 and they are old but still useful. We're going to unbox a new Converse shoes that I bought from the mall. And I have observed that there are so many new stores of Converse in the mall at this time as compared 16 years ago, because they are only available at SM Mega Mall then. But now Converse has its own store in the malls, and I was able to buy one of their latest pair of Converse shoes, and we're going to unbox this said new shoes. This is the Chuck Taylor 1970, and this is latest. This is the latest version of their high cut, as what I have shown you in my introduction. So we're going to unbox this. I bought these particular shoes from the Converse store at Power Plant, and this is how it looks. This color olive, and it is the Chuck Taylor 70, and we're going to compare this Chuck Taylor 70 with the All-Star high top later in one of my future videos.